In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to block a number, how to block a contact on the following device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to block, in my case it's Tony, and here scroll a bit lower. Here you will notice a red notification, a red option, which is block this caller. So if you would like to block Tony, if you would like to not receive any calls or messages from this number, just tap block this caller, then confirm that you would like to block it. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, Tony will not be able to reach you anyhow. And then whenever you would like to unblock this number, if you would like to have contact with this friend again, just click on unblock this caller. And that's it. So basically that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.